Hello, good afternoon. My name is Luis Ángel Miguel Morales, and this is the food recipe date and choose its Cajun chicken Milanese tacos. Ingredients: 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of mustard, enough of salt and pepper, 1 medium cup of the cold milk, 500 grams of the chicken Milanese, enough breadcrumbs, enough vegetable oil to fry, 3 tomatoes in the half for the red sauce, 3 serrano pepper for the red sauce, 1 garlic for the red sauce, enough grain salt for the red sauce, 1 tablespoon French corned finely chopped for the sauce, enough of the corn tortillas, uncooked refried beans, enough of French corned golden decorative, enough lemon to savor.
Knowing there's nowhere to go, 'cause I am happy.
Preparation. First, bread the Milanese in by basting the dough, then eggs mixture, add the ground bread. Then in the frying pan over medium heat, add the oil and the fry the Milanese on the both sides, wanting golden brown, joining of the absorbent paper. Next, what board and cut the Milanese into the strip. Later, for the sauce in the common over medium heat, roast tomato and chilies and garlic. Next, martega roast garlic with and little green salt, water pour and obtaining 8 other chilies and the tomato and the continue mashing wanting you the head at saucing, rectify and the saucing and grounded cilantro. After that, heat on the tortilla in the common water strain with refried beans. Finally, serving Milanese shrimp and gurdy tortilla, decorated with some corn and served with sauce and lemon. And good luck!